Hey guys, it's Debbie, and I'm back again. Anyways, I have some leftover paints, so I was going to clean up, and I thought, gosh, I only did one painting, and I kind of have a lot of leftover paint, so I thought, what the heck, let's do another one. So, again, I have a dog underneath me. I have to watch the feet. All right. I have a mixture for my base that is, let's see, I'll tell you what it is. I gotta see the can. It's base Valspar, base 3 Valspar, and you don't get any colorants added to it. And this way it's semi-clear, just a little bit. And so you can mix your colors with that. And it seems to work pretty good. Anyways, I am mixing it with a polyurethane that is, it's oil modified to use with water. So that one is one part the polyurethane to 2 parts of the base. Okay? Then each one of these colors, and this is yellow ochre. These are all mixed with Floetrol. Each one of them is mixed with Floetrol and a couple drops of silicone. And I'm going to have to watch them real close because it seems like, look at that, that's too thick already. So I'm going to add a couple more, just a couple drops of water to thin them out. The last time I was adding, let me back here. Last time I was trying to thin a couple of them down that were okay when I mixed them up, but by the time I get ready to video this, they're not okay. So I guess this is better now. So hopefully all of them are better. So we're going to use them up. I'm going to use a lot more on this one than if you see the other one. Hopefully if I put them up in order. Well, you'll see what I'm planning on doing. I'm going to use maybe a little bit more black. Hopefully I don't ruin it doing that. Black and white with the colors. So, all right, let's get started. Okay, sorry about the shadow on the canvas. There's not much that I know of that. I'll have to work on that if I make a bunch of these videos. So, since I didn't go grab another pouring cup, I'm going to use the same one. And put in some white. Maybe this time I'll start out with a little extra white. See that? I just mixed that one too. When you see it kind of go into your cup a little chunky, you know you need to smooth out either with Floetrol or water or whatever your choice is. What are we missing here? Red and gold. This time I'm not going to mix as many colors because I had plenty last time. Because I'll put a little white base, a little puff of white here, a little puddle of white. Yeah, I think we'll stop that. Stop it there, maybe. So, no, this is just Valspar semi-gloss paint that I've mixed with a little Floetrol. That's it. In the center here a little bit more. Which way is the center? There we go. Kind of centered anyways. And if it's not the thickness you think it should be, just add a little water to it. I'm trying to decide if I want to add more. You know what I might do is just add a little bit at the corners here. So when it comes running over here. Because one of these times I'm going to tape the corners to keep the paint on. But it won't be this time. You know the bad part about doing this is you can't pop your canvas up like, you know, too easily. That was pretty good. Alright, sometimes I think I really rush it, so I'm just going to wait a little bit. I don't know if it makes a big difference or not. Some people seem to think it makes a little bit of a difference. I'm not real sure of that. Some people who may have done a lot of calculations on this and ran tests, they probably know a lot more about this than I do. But at least this time, I didn't fill the cup way up to where it's gushing out, right? Are you ready? Let's do it. I'm gonna turn up my table's a little unlevel. I always love it when I see a whole bunch of cells, boom, right away. Unless I don't want any. Same color is kind of different, quite a bit different than the last one. I don't want to lose that, but there we go. I'm going to pull that back down. Kind of got it where I want it. I like this one way better than the last one already. I'll show you the difference. Same colors. Can't think of much I did different other than layering them a little differently. So oops, sorry about that. Kind of like this one. I wasn't real impressed with the other one, but it's turned out okay. But this one I'm kind of liking. Some of the red's starting to pop through here and there. Okay, dry my hands. Still trying to think about how much I want to move it around anymore, or just kind of let it sit. So what have you guys been doing for your break? It's almost like a spring break, right? With a lot of more rules to it. Well, hopefully everybody has been staying nice and healthy. I always know how to keep busy. If I had to stay home every day, which I work in an essential business, so there's been work to do. So, alright guys, trying to decide if I want to do anything else to this, or just kind of leave it alone. No, I think I'm leaving this alone. I'm going to get it on a level on my drying rack and let this set. I'm going to bring you in a little extra close. I'm going to take it up. Take this up to you. It takes too long to pull it down. So, I like a lot of this pretty good. I mean, I like the variation where this is like all over in here. It's kind of like, yeah, that's paint there. This side is, I don't know what you say it is, but, and down here it's completely different, got a thing going on, a different thing, which I like. That creates a little bit of interest. So, anyways, I may do a lot more of these kind of colors because I kind of like the earthy feel. And it's normally not me. If you look at my old videos, a lot of them are pretty bright. So, anyways, guys, thank you so much for stopping by again, and hopefully you stay safe. Bye-bye.